Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Hiver Explained, our video series where we explain and demystify the world of shared inboxes and help desks. In this video, we're going to help you figure out what features you should look for when you're investing in a shared inbox for your team. If you want to understand the basics of a shared inbox, you should check out the videos we've made on this. We'll leave the links in the description below. Alright, let's get into the video. Here are 6 features your shared inbox solution should have. Number 1, easy adoption. When it comes to shared inboxes, it makes sense to go for a vendor that offers the easiest onboarding and adoption. Many of the solutions available are easy enough to install, but take a long time to get used to. Tools like Hiver take you less than 10 minutes to set up. Since it works right out of Gmail, the adoption is super easy, and you don't have to constantly switch between your email and shared inbox. Number 2, accountability and visibility. Once you're set up, you'll want to start working and delegating emails immediately. This means any shared inbox solution you go for must have an easy way of assigning emails to your team and tracking their progress. After all, you want to ensure that no email slips through the cracks. Apart from easy email assignments, your shared inbox should also give you complete visibility into your team's workload, so you know who is handling each query. Tools like Hiver let you manage both of these things seamlessly. Assigning emails in Hiver is as easy as 1, 2, and 3, and that's that. It also lets you assign a status to every email, so you can understand the progress of each email in just a glance. And if you go to the team view and click on this little button here, it even gives you an eagle-eye view of how workload is distributed within your team, so that you can track and delegate work efficiently. Number 3, easy collaboration. While your team is working on their assigned queries, they might need help or want to collaborate on certain tasks. Traditionally, the biggest disadvantage of collaborating through email is the complete reliance on CCs and forwards. This leads to a lot of back and forths and generates a ton of email clutter. As email volume increases, searching for important information becomes all the more difficult. Here, shared inboxes have an upper hand. A feature like Hiver's email notes lets you tag a colleague and have a conversation with them right next to an email thread, so that you can collaborate quickly and efficiently. And while collaborating is important, it's equally important that your team members don't end up stepping on each other's toes. Imagine this. A customer sends you an email requesting a new feature. 2 people in your team, say April and Andy, see the email and decide to respond. April responds to the customer telling them that the feature they asked for is in the pipeline and will be released soon, while Andy emails the customer telling them that the feature they asked for is not on the radar for now. This can leave the customer feeling confused and annoyed. You don't want this sort of thing happening with your team, do you? Shared inboxes with a collision alert feature can save you here. This feature alerts you if 2 or more people are working on the same email, so you can avoid such awkward moments. This is how it looks in Hiver. Collaborating with your team has never been this convenient. Number 4, automations. Collaborating with your team can be so much more enjoyable if you remove the repetitive, boring parts of work. Don't you think so? Automations help you remove the mundane from your everyday work and save you a ton of time. Why should you spend time manually assigning every incoming email when you can automate it? Solutions like Hiver allow you to do just that based on a set of simple, predefined conditions. For instance, you can automate round-robin email assignments for all active team members. This makes the entire process of assignment and workload distribution effortless. And that's not all. Let's say every time an email with the term invoice in the subject line arrives in your inbox, you want it to be automatically tagged as finance and have it assigned to a member of the finance team. All you have to do is add those conditions in and sit back and relax as your shared inbox does your job for you. Number 5, SLA and Business Hours. A good shared inbox should also help you prioritize emails and provide great customer service. This is where tools that come with the feature to set up service level agreements can be helpful. SLAs help you meet customer expectations and keep agents accountable. Let's say you've promised your customers that you will respond to any query within 90 minutes. To ensure that you keep your promise to the customer, you can set this condition up as an SLA. Every time you fail to meet an SLA, the manager and the team member working on the issue will be instantly notified about the breach. With Hiver, you can set up different SLAs for multiple products and services that you offer. You can even define custom operating hours for each of your shared inboxes. This means you can manage and track SLAs based on your company's unique business hours and products. Pretty cool, right? Number 6, analytics. And finally, you can't improve what you can't measure, and that's why you need a strong reporting feature in your shared inbox solution. Tools with native analytics help you analyze your team's performance without depending on another app or those dreadful Excel sheets. You can analyze different aspects of your team's performance through metrics like average resolution time and CSAT scores. Hiver's conversation reports give you real-time insights into how your team manages conversations with customers, or how long they take to respond to or resolve emails. This way, you can identify potential roadblocks and quickly fix them. What's more, you can even build custom reports around metrics that you want to track. In conclusion, choosing the right shared inbox for your business may require a lot of research and planning, but looking out for these 6 important features is a great place to start. And there you have it, folks. These are the top functionalities you should look for in any shared inbox software. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to spread the word.